cracked wheat halwa or annavaram prasad. For example, take 1 cup of cracked wheat, add some ghee in a pan and then fry it very well. Fry it very well. Sometimes it looks like it's burnt, but it is not. Fry it until brown color. Add 3 cups of water to it. Since we took 1 cup of cracked wheat, we need to put 3 cups of water. We can also add milk, but I'm showing you how to make this with just water, because this is how typically Annavaram Prasadam is made, with water, so that it stays for a long time. And it's cooked almost probably around 70% it is cooked, and we need to cook it for some more time. So let's see how it looks now. It takes time. Cracked wheat takes time to cook. So looks like it's all cooked. Once you're completely 100% sure that it's cooked, take some 2 cups of jaggery, or you can even use sugar, but since Annavaram Prasadam is made with jaggery, I added jaggery this time. So take 2 cups of jaggery and then melt it very well in microwave a little bit, and then add it to this mixture. So it dissolves slowly. So stir it until it's dissolved well, the jaggery. So it bubbles up like this because of ghee and jaggery. And you can add some more ghee to it. And then keep stirring it until the ghee dissolves well. And take a small mortar and crush this ilachi. And then make it into powder this way. Add some fresh ilachi as well as little powder. I always do that so that it gives the look as well as the flavor also. I like to grind my ilachi completely because I don't like those seeds coming in between. So I just grind them very well. And then take a small pan. In the meanwhile, add some ghee, cashews, and let it fry very well. These are the dried grapes. So fry it very well. Once they are brown in color, add these cashews slowly to the pan. And then this is almost done actually. See, if we do not fry that cracked wheat very well until brown, it looks very white and pale. It doesn't look appealing. I love my dishes to be appealing. The taste, the color and the texture should be very good. So this is how it looks. So it's all ready to be transferred into a small dish. Normally what I do, the cashews and all, I just add some cashews to the main dish and then keep little aside, so that once I transfer it to the dish, I top it with the remaining cashews that I have, and also sprinkle some ilachi powder on top. That way you get more